Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be creating a miniature painting focused on the face, where we'll study each facial feature in detail. This is our reference image, and in this video we'll concentrate only on the face. For materials, I am using Himi Gouache paints. I have listed all the shades in the description below. I'll be sketching with a 0.5 mm mechanical pencil to achieve fine details. I have drawn the face within a 4 centimeter area with the forehead measuring 1 centimeter. Now let's break down each facial feature step by step, including the eyes, ears, nose, and lips. We'll begin by applying a base layer for the skin. Ochre color is used to create deeper skin tones in areas like under the eyes, around the ears, beneath the nose, on the chin, and along the jawlines. For made lips, use a mix of red and ochre color with red as the outline. Remember to use black color only at the end for outlining. White color will be used for adding highlights and fine details, especially in jewelry. And gold color is ideal for decorative elements like the headband lace and the danglers. Gold color in miniature painting serves to mark divinity and permanence in the art form. Now let's move on to painting the face from scratch. Start by applying flat base colors. Orange color for the headband, a skin tone for the face, and also use the ochre for the underskin for darker areas, and black color for hair and mustache. Once the base layer has completely dried, we begin adding the details. We use red color to show folds in the headband. In the front, the folds will be forward side, and in the back, it will be from the behind. The curves will fall from bottom to top. Gold color is used for the lace and decorative dangler, and finish by adding highlights with white color. Simple tiny dots are used to add highlights, and that completes our painting.